My dear friends, again we have a Saturday, and you know very well that every Saturday we have speaking session. A topic is given to you for speaking to express your views, and today your topic is online classes. So you have to tell the advantages and disadvantages of online classes that you have been taking for for about 6 months to 3 months to 3 years. Some students are taking have been taking these classes for 3 or more years, and some have been taking for 6 months, 8 months, 9 months. So you know very well that what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages of online classes. So very simple topic, and I hope that you have started giving your names in message box. So let me check. And yes, I'm happy to see that many of you have given their names. First of all, Harshit, Rohit, Harsh. Okay, very good. So we are starting with Harshit. Come on, Harshit, express your views regarding online classes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Hello, everyone. My name is Harshit More. I'm the student of Raman Online Interactive Classes.
Mm,
Today's my topic is online classes.
mm,
Online classes are very important for us, and there are many advantages and disadvantages of it.
mm,
First of all, I am telling you the advantages of online classes.
mm,
Online classes are very important at this time,
mm,
and these came in effect when there was COVID-19.
mm,
And I have been taking online classes for more than 3 years, and there are many advantages of it. Like we can take online classes whether it is rainy season, whether it is too hot or too cold,
mm,
and and we can uh, we can learn many things by online classes by sitting at a place.
mm,
And and uh, online classes have changed our life. It has made us able to learn many things that are online, and we can learn everything new daily.
mm,
And there are many things and many apps which provides us online classes. For example, YouTube, uh, Gmail,
mm,
Meet, etc.
mm,
And nowadays uh, online classes are well known by everyone,
mm,
because everyone have taken online classes when there was COVID-19, and there was lockdown.
mm,
And and many people like take online classes because they can take these classes by sitting at a place,
mm,
and whether they are in any type of conditions at home, uh, like whether there is the season of rain, and uh, rain is there.
mm,
And online class and there are also disadvantages of online classes.
mm,
Like there are some children who watch YouTube, Chrome, etc. at the time when they are taking classes.
mm,
They are not in their they are not in the they don't understand that these classes are very important. And there and sometimes many people are out of the class by just uh, um, out of the class. And there are many examples by which we can see that there are also disadvantages. Like uh, we take online classes in the devices that are also harmful for our eyes.
mm,
And sometimes many students are not in the class. They used to play games, and they do many things. And and nowadays many of us are taking online classes, and there are a very few there are very few there are many few reports in which we can see that online classes are not effective for us. But in my view, online classes are very effective for us, as uh, I'm taking these classes and I have seen a good result. That's it, sir.
Shabash. Very good. Nice performance. Keep it up, beta. Shabash. Now, yes, come on. Rohit.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening, everyone. My name is Rohit Yadav, and today I'm going to tell you the advantages and disadvantages of online classes. So, first of all, I am telling you about the advantages of online classes. I have been taking these classes since for 3 years, and I thought that I feel that online classes are very good and they play a good role in our life because while we are taking on when we take online classes we are free from our surrounding like in the normal offline coachings we sit with our fellows and we at that time our concentration at that time our concentration become weak and we are diverted to the students which are sitting nearby us and we keep on talking but while taking online classes we sit alone in a room on our study table and study with our full focus on the in online classes. And as you all know that that hunger is a very um, hunger is an enemy of a person and while taking online classes we can also eat something if we want and not eating on a plate like eating a roti and sabji we can eat some refreshments like dry fruits and namkeen these types of things we can eat while having online classes. These are the advantages of online classes. There are also some advantages like if if there is a season of there is a season of monsoon and outside it is raining so we do not care what is happening outside. We are sitting on in our room and taking our online class. This will not affect our studies, but if we are going to offline coaching centers, then we have to face all these problems that like we have to face the rainy season and we will become ill at the end that will affect our studies. So now I'm going to tell you the disadvantages of online classes. While having online classes, some students who are not who do not obey their teacher who is teaching and their parents they watch many things in mobile like YouTube, Chrome, Google. These types of things are watched by some students in the on in online classes. They misuse the mobile and they waste the money which is spending which is spent on them by their parents
बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, हाँ.
and by taking online classes if the teacher who is teaching in the online class is saying something to us and if he asks us some question and if we do not know and then the students who don't know put off their camera and leave the class and after sometimes they will come in the class and say that the sir that was the network issue. So but there are many ways by which students bunk the class and it takes many points for saving themselves from the sir's rebuke. Online classes have both advantages and disadvantages, but we should focus on advantages and keep on moving. That's it, sir.
शाबाश, very good, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, come on, Harsh.
Yes, sir. Hello, good evening. My name is Harshad, and today my topic is advantages and disadvantages of online classes. To learn and to learn advantages and disadvantages, we should first know what is online class. Online class is a class which we take on a device like a phone, laptop, or a keypad or a iPad. There are many disadvantages and disadvantages of it. First, I will tell you advantages. There are many advantages of it, like we can we can we can sit on our study table and study because if we go to any offline class then there would be there would be not table and chair of our size and we will feel uncomfortable and we can take any type of refreshment or or if in offline classes sometimes we forgot our books at home. But in online classes, we are at the home only, and if we forget to take the books which are of our use, then we can move out of our study room and get them. And and the most important advantage of online class is that there, as we know, that there are seasons, and in some season, in summer there is too hot, and in winter it is too cold, and in monsoon it is raining, and cold winds flowing, which can make us ill. If we are taking online class, then we can sit in our room, close the door, then and nothing would affect us. Uh, and uh, and in this way, we will be kept away from our fellows, and we can make our search screen full, so that nothing other person will be seen to us. Then our full concentration on our full concentration will be on sir or the teacher who is teaching. um, Keeping advantages beside, there are also many disadvantages of online classes, like many people off their camera and go away and say that it is a network issue, or if sir is not speaking to them, they start anything in mobile like YouTube, Facebook, and watch the reels or shorts to pass the class quickly. Or there are also many disadvantages, like many students eat food while classes, and that they cannot do in offline classes. Uh, if they do not know any question, they simply cut the class and say that, sir, we are not getting your voice. So keeping all the advantages aside, there are also many disadvantages which we should avoid. That's it, sir.
Okay, very good. ठीक है. Yes, now Rakshit.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Akshit Maurya, and today I am telling about online classes. As we all know that the term online classes or online work came in effect mostly by the time of COVID-19, and now it is also in effect very much. And and there are many coaching centers which takes online classes, and this is there are many advantages and disadvantages also of online classes, because and first I'm telling about the advantages of online classes. As we all know that if you are taking offline classes and there is a bad weather, then you will get a lot of problem in going to the offline centers to get the classes. But if you are taking online classes, there is no so much effect of the weather on your online classes. You can take your online classes very well, and and if you are sitting at any place, you can take the online classes. And but if you are taking offline classes, you have to go there. And by online classes, many students of different states can join the classes by sitting at different places. And there is also an advantage, that is, a teacher taking the online classes can rebuke you but can't punish you. And there are also many disadvantages of this, there are some students who start the classes and go away any place, go away and say that this is a network issue. And some students eat any food eat food while taking online classes, and this will decrease their concentration on the class. And uh, and in online class, a teacher is not able to keep a full eye on students,
Hmm. Hmm.
and etc. So all having many advantages of online classes, there are many disadvantages also.
Hmm.
And there are many apps who take online classes, like YouTube, Google Meet, Zoom, etc. And this is online classes are, in my view, online classes are useful. And sir, that's it.
Okay, very good. ठीक है, बहुत बढ़िया. Yes, now this is the turn of Gaurav. Come on, Gaurav.
Yes, sir. I'm Gaurav and my today's topic is the advantages and disadvantages of online classes.
Hmm.
Online classes are very useful for students if there are if there is any problem on them so that they can't come to school so they can take online classes.
Hmm.
And there are many platforms for online classes like and YouTube, Zoom, Google Meet, and other.
Hmm.
And there are many advantages of online classes. That if there is a bad weather, you can't take offline classes should because road will be full of water and there will be puddles and other things.
Hmm.
But in online classes, you can sit in a room
Hmm.
calmly and focus on the teacher, and you have no problems.
Hmm.
And also, in online classes, we nobody can disturb us, and our focus can't be disturbed.
Hmm.
Like in offline classes, we talk to our classmates, schoolmates, and can't focus to the teacher. But in online classes, we are just sitting in a room alone, and we can focus to the teacher. And but there are many disadvantages also of online classes. Like there are many network issues. From that, we can't take online classes, and some students leave the class if they are not understanding a question, and 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 after they make excuses and give excuses.
Hmm.
And sometimes in online classes they use Google Translate to translate qu- questions, sentences, and etc.
Hmm.
And a teacher can't keep an eye on on students. And there are also a last disadvantages that I know, that if there is a speaking session in the online class, so the student may open Google and search that paragraph or story and speak this. So this is very bad.
बेटा बेटा ये आते समय की वो करवा लेना जल्दी वाली.
And online, but in my
8-5 वाली
opinion,
करवा लेना,
online
तब ज्यादा
classes
लेट
are
हो जाएगा
very
फिर आने में. है ना, ये 8-5 वाली करवा लेना बेटा.
online classes are
समझ गया,
very
बहुत ज्यादा
useful
लेट हो
for
जाएगा फिर
a
आने में.
student that can't
हाँ.
reach school or anything.
Hmm.
And on YouTube, there are many free online classes, and they prepare students for exam for free.
Hmm.
And there are many channels on YouTube like Magnet Brains and other educational channels.
Hmm.
That's it. Thank you, sir.
ओके, वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोला, अच्छा, कॉन्फिडेंस अच्छा दिखा मुझे. यस, कम ऑन सुशील.
Yes, sir. Hello, everyone. My name is Sushil, and I am a student of the Ramban online interactive classes from 16.
थोड़ा जल्दी.
And today, my topic is the advantage of online classes.
Hmm.
as we know that now education is very important be- because without it we can't become anything. If you want to become a engineer and sorry an engineer, so you have to pass IIT, and for it you have to pass 12th class, and there are two ways to get education.
Hmm.
First is online class and second is offline class.
Hmm.
And online class came in 2019 when COVID-19 came. And I can say that COVID-19 was very useful for us because it gave us a new way to get education.
Hmm.
And online is very important, and it is also useful for students because there are many advantages of it,
Hmm.
like uh, like uh, like there is a bad weather, so you can also continue y- your study,
Hmm.
and it also saves your money, energy, and time.
Hmm.
And as we know that these all things are very important for us,
Hmm.
because because if we have these things, so we can also other works in the rest time.
Hmm. फ्री टाइम आराम से फोकस करके
Yes, sir,
हाँ
free time.
हाँ
And at the time of our online class, we, we can also get any freshman, uh, and we don't need to go anywhere.
हम्म,
But as we know that everything has two sides.
हम्म,
First is good side and second is bad side.
हम्म,
So it also has bad side.
हम्म,
The bad side is and there are many disadvantages of it. Like at the time of class, many students of their cameras and um, they use it in Instagram, YouTube, etc.
हम्म,
And they also play Free Fire,
हम्म,
Minecraft, etc.
हम्म,
And in online class, teachers can't notice our activities.
हम्म,
So these are the disadvantages of it.
हम्म,
So at last, I want to say that online class is very useful for students, but they should be interactive so that students can't so that students can interact with their sir.
very good,
Sir,
nice,
that's
nice,
it.
very nice expression. Keep it up, shabash. हम्म,
Thank you, sir.
हो गया?
Yes, sir.
Oh,
Okay.
very
That's
nice
it.
performance, Sushil. Shabash beta, keep it up. Yes, Kabir bhaiya.
Yes, sir.
आ जाओ.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. My name is Kabir. I am the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes from HB18. Today's my topic is online classes. As we know that we are the student of Rambar English Interactive Classes, and we it is a online classes, so we know the advantages and disadvantages of the online classes. So today I tell you some advantages and disadvantages of the online classes. First of all, I want to set advantages of online classes. If our weather is change and it become very hot, cold and rainy, so so we cannot go to any place, but in online classes we can sit in a room and take online classes very peacefully. And second is, sometimes we go to sometimes we go to uh, sometimes we go to any place, so we can take exam we can take online classes by the help of our mobile phones. And we can also we can also um, we can also do many things, like uh, uh, like 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 if
कैमरा
some person.
कैमरा बंद कर, तेरा कैमरा बंद कर। अब बोल।
Okay. If someone call us, so we can call to if if someone call to us in our home, so we can do their work. And we know that there are a lot of disadvantages of online classes, because sometimes student student of the cameras and cheat with the help of extras. Sometimes they use Instagram, YouTube, and play many games. Sometimes they bug the class and cut the classes, and said that we have network issue. So I view online classes useful for everyone if we take it in right way. Yes, sir.
वेरी गुड, शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया। यस, नाउ लक्ष्मी, आजा बेटा।
Yes, sir. My name is Lakshmi Gujjar. Today our topic is online classes. There are two type of classes, online and offline.
शाबाश।
And education is important for the students. And my opinion that online classes is useful classes, because in these classes we have much confidence, and we can take online classes anywhere. We can take online classes while eating food.
वेरी गुड।
And some and no one can punished in online classes. And
वेरी गुड। क्या एडवांटेज निकाला है। यस यस, कम ऑन, वेरी गुड, वेरी नाइस, शाबाश, बोल।
and and offline classes is less important, because when we take offline classes, we have not confidence, and we do not ask the question to the sir, because there are many students, and we think that we may also be insult all the students, so we can't ask the question. And some student take online classes, and 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 sometimes they keep their phone inside there, and they say that I have network issue. But they have not network issue. They avoid the classes. And some student play games on the mobile phone. And there are many apps for online classes like Google Meet, Gmail, YouTube, and etc. and there and online classes is is a best classes. And we can't, if due to network issue, we can't take online classes. And sometimes we have no balance, so we can't take online classes. and we are not disturbed in online classes.
Mm-hmm.
And there are many online classes, and there are many students
Mm.
take online classes. Some student can't go in the city, and they they can take online classes in their house. And most of the village most of the students
Mm.
live in the villages, and they buy phone.
Mm.
They buy phone, and they take online classes, and they can become anything. And
Mm.
so that's it, sir.
बहुत बढ़िया बोलने लग गई छोरी. पार्टी वार्टी दे दे अब तो तू. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Very good. Shabash beta. Keep it up. Yes, Priya.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My name is Priyamina. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes. Today's our topic is online classes. So, as we all know very well that online classes are very important in our life. It plays an important role in every person's life, and this is a great wonder of science.
Shabash.
And online classes can be taken easily, and the online classes can be taken in mobile phones, computers, laptops, and etc. There are many apps in which we can take online classes like Google Meet, Zoom,
Hmm.
Baidu's,
Hmm.
Topper app,
Shabash.
Vedantu,
Hmm.
etc.
Hmm.
And there are many advantages of these online classes,
Hmm.
like we can take it at our home,
Hmm.
and we need not to go anywhere,
Hmm.
and
Shabash.
it saves our time,
Hmm.
and we can do interactions easily with our friends
Hmm.
and the head of the online classes.
Hmm. Hmm.
Mm, and we can enjoy the comfort at our home,
Hmm.
and
बहुत बढ़िया
we
बेटा.
can
शाबाश. Hmm.
meanwhile we can eat or sit as we want.
Hmm. बहुत बढ़िया. बहुत बढ़िया. शाबाश. Hmm.
By these classes, many important meetings and business concerns or classes
Hmm.
are conducted regularly,
Hmm.
and there are many disadvantages of online classes, like some students don't take it seriously as well as offline classes.
Hmm.
And many students off their camera and play games
Hmm.
and watch movies
Hmm.
and do not focus in online classes.
Hmm.
And we uh, if we take online classes for many hours, it may harm our health.
Hmm.
Like we have headaches,
Hmm. Headache. Oh, yes. 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 बोल बेटा. शाबाश.
headache,
Hmm.
and many eyesight problem also.
Hmm.
And online classes are totally dependent on internet.
Hmm.
So if our internet is not running well,
Hmm.
so we can't do interactions and can't listen also.
Hmm.
And if our online classes are taken in the device, so if our device is not charged,
Hmm.
so we can't take them.
Hmm. Hmm.
So these are some disadvantages of online classes. But in my opinion, online classes are very helpful
Hmm.
and save our time.
Hmm. शाबाश. बहुत बढ़िया. Very nice performance. शाबाश बेटा. Keep it up. Very good. Yes. Come on, Vaishnavi. कहाँ गई? कहाँ
Yes,
गई
sir.
वैष्णवी? आजा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, all of you. My name is Vaishnavi. I'm the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18.
Hmm.
Today, again, we have a speaking session.
Hmm.
So, our topic is online classes. As you know that online classes are very important for the students when we are out of town and out of country, state, etc. So we can attend the online class, and there are many apps we can take online class like Google Meet, Zoom, Byju's, Vedantu, etc. And when we at in our home, so we can take the online class, and when there is raining or cold, hot, etc. outside, so we can take the online class. Uh, so these are the advantages of online classes. So I am now telling you about disadvantages of online classes. Uh, some students switch off the camera because some students switch off the camera because they play Instagram, Snapchat, etc. while they attending the class.
Shabash.
And some students say that there is network issue, and
बेटा 1 मिनट गेट बंद कर देना बेटा.
in the online class, so sir, we can't punish us.
Yes, very good. Sir can't punish us. Very good. Or and you can't talk to your friends.
Yes, so we can't talk to our friends,
Yes.
and
And you can't have a round of your school many times in every second period. Yes, yes, yes. शाबाश बेटा, बोल बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बोल रही है. हाँ.
and our eyes when we take the online class continuously, our eyes become so weak and headache also. And, so this is the disadvantages of online class, and we can take online class in many devices like computer, laptop, mobile phone, etc. And in my opinion, online class is very useful.
शाबाश बेटा, शाबाश बेटा.
In the last, I want to say that online class is very useful, and so that's it.
शाबाश. थोड़ा सा लेंथ बढ़ाने की कोशिश करो बेटा, है ना बेटा. हाँ, कोई बात नहीं, पर बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है बेटा. शाबाश बेटा, कीप इट अप, है ना बेटा. हाँ, शाबाश. और रीडिंग बढ़ाओ अपनी थोड़ी सी. लिटरेचर के स्टूडेंट हो तुम तो, खूब रीडिंग किया करो इंग्लिश में, है ना बेटा. मैं भी अभी देने वाला हूँ आप लोगों को मैटर वैसे रीडिंग का. तो रीडिंग किया करो बेटा खूब.
Yes,
यस. हाँ बेटा. यस, नाउ आई एम कॉलिंग कोमल. कोमल आ जा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Komal Berwa and I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 18, and today my topic is online classes. We all know that education is very important for all people, and we all people think that we should take education from anywhere, and there are two ways to get education, like in the offline and online also. And online classes are very important and necessary also. And online classes have many advantages. We can take online class at our home, and we should not go to anywhere from for take classes. And online classes are very helpful for us because we can take online classes at our home and with our comfort zone. And when if we are ill, and we can also take online classes. And online classes are very helpful for us. And online classes have many disadvantages, like some students uh, don't take it seriously. And they they say that our network we have network issues. And they they don't on their cameras and speaker also. And they off their camera. And
they
they
keep their
play
cameras
games.
off.
And
बोल बेटा, बोल, कोई बात नहीं, बोल.
yes sir.
हम्म,
And they play games, and they do their other work at their home. And and they have they think that we should not take online classes, because at the online classes we can't understand things easy perfectly. But it is not good, because understanding matter is also depend on our concentration
शाबाश, बहुत
and
बढ़िया.
teaching method also.
Very good.
And there is a one advantage of these online classes also, because we can take online classes in any time, at morning, evening, night, etc. And we can take online classes from anywhere. And we can take online classes at interactive and recorded also. And we can take online classes at YouTube and any application. And we all know that online classes are very helpful. And because at these online classes, sir teaches us very well. So online classes are very helpful and good for us. That's it.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड. शाबाश बेटा, बस कंटिन्यू रखो बेटा अपनी प्रैक्टिस, है ना बेटा. यस, आदित्य भाई साहब, आओ, पधारो हमारे देश, आ जाओ.
देश कैसे हुआ?
हमारा ही देश है, हमारी क्लास है, हमारा ही देश है, तुम्हारा ही देश है. हमारे का मतलब तुम्हारी भी है, हमारे का मतलब खाली मेरी नहीं है. हमारे बोला है मैंने, मेरी. पधारो हमारे देश, हमारे देश, हमारी ना, हमारे देश. आओ पधारो, बोलो. यस. ये छोटे छोटे जो होते हैं ना यार, बहुत क्रॉस क्वेश्चन करते हैं ये लोग यार. इतने करते हैं ये, इनको मौका मिल जाए तो खट से चालू हो जाते हैं. यस, हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा, शाबाश. इनकी क्यूरियोसिटी है, बनी रहनी चाहिए. हाँ बेटा.
Hello everyone, my name is Aditya Donawat. I am the student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from B18. Today's our topic is how the online classes, uh, advantages of online classes and disadvantages. So I say that advantages of online classes. As you know that online classes is very important in the lockdown. Students take our school and tuition classes on our houses.
एट आवर होम्स. और टेंस का ध्यान रखो बेटा. थॉट अगर पास्ट का है तो पास्ट का वर्ब यूज करो, प्रेजेंट का है तो प्रेजेंट के वर्ब फॉर्म यूज करो. बाकी सब ठीक है. हाँ बस बोलो बेटा, घबराओ बिल्कुल मत. गलत होता है तो जाने दो, बोलो तुम.
And this is a very nice thing. We can't go outside, and we save the rain and winter. And the disadvantages of the online classes, we take more time and our eyesight became weak and our eyesight is are are very weak and we sleep more times. And some students off our camera and on YouTube and Instagram and play games in
शाबाश
mobile phone.
बहुत बढ़िया हाँ
And this is very bad thing. And the teachers asked any question for the student and the student leave the class and return and came the class and say the teacher, sir, our network issue and I leave. And teacher say the student get out from my class.
Very good. Did someone ask to you get out of my class? ये जबरदस्ती तरीके से देखो क्या घुमा घुमा के बोलता है, आगे बोल, शाबाश, बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है, वेरी गुड, मुझे समझ में आ रहा है तेरा, बोल बेटा हाँ.
At last, I want to say that everyone and take online classes.
Should take
That's it.
online classes. Okay, very good, शाबाश. और बेटा that's it.
Yes,
Nice speaking. शाबाश बेटा, कोशिश करता है, कितना प्यारा सा बच्चा है, छोटा सा. Nice boy, very good. शाबाश बेटा. Yes, तनिष. कहाँ गया है यार, ये ढूंढना और पड़ता है मेरे को क्लास. आजा भाई, आजा तनिष, आजा बेटा, आजा बेटा. ये देखो गायब हो गया ना. गायब नहीं हो सकता यार, ये ऐसे तो ये बच्चा गायब होने वाला तो नहीं है. ये असर आ गया इसके ऊपर भी, इतने लोगों को सुन सुन करके, चलो चाय पी के आते हैं थोड़ी देर के लिए. हाँ बेटा, बोल बेटा. अरे मैं कुछ पहन ले, सर्दी लग जाएगी गधे.
अरे सर मैं अंदर बैठा हूँ इसलिए
तो
निकल
कहीं भी
गई
बैठा
सर.
है यार, तू तो ऐसे बैठा है जैसे वहाँ जैसलमेर में बैठा हो. इस वक्त जैसलमेर में भी ठंडा है बेटा. बोल बेटा, बोल, शाबाश.
Good evening all of you. My name is Tanish. I am a student of Ramban Online Interactive Classes from batch 19. Today our topic is advantage and disadvantage of online classes. As we know that in this universe everything has advantage and disadvantage. So first of all I tell advantage of online classes. As we know that there are two type of classes, offline and online classes. If in a online classes we can't talk with our friends and if and but in offline classes we can't we talk with our friends, so our focus is not in study, but online classes our focus is perfect. And if the weather is changed, so we can't go to offline for
शाबाश.
taking offline
हाँ
classes,
बहुत
but
बढ़िया बेटा. हाँ ऐसे ही फोकस करता रहे बस. हाँ
we take online classes anywhere. If we go to and if we go to marriage, so we take online classes there also. And
शाबाश बेटा.
and by this we can't we concentration to our teachers, but
Concentrate. हाँ बोल बेटा,
to
कोई बात नहीं, हो
concentrate
जाएगा
our
सब ठीक. हाँ
and there are many disadvantage of these classes, like while when we some students eat things and take online classes, so their focus are not on classes and some students off their cameras and watch many apps, watch Instagram, YouTube, etc. And and it is very useful for a person because uh,
Because
by many platforms we can take online classes easily, like Google Meet, Zoom, YouTube, etc. Mm. Thank you, sir, for you start these classes for students. It is very useful for all the students. And, and we can't take these classes when our network is not perfect.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड वेरी गुड. बोल
And
घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. कुछ नहीं तो बोल बस. हाँ.
it depend on only network. And in any seasons we take online classes easily, but in offline classes we go there and take classes. And in my view, online classes is very best for a person. Yes sir, that's it.
शाबाश बेटा. बहुत बढ़िया बेटा. बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा है. शाबाश बेटा. और कोशिश करते रहो बेटा. है ना. यस. सब कुछ पहन ले पागल. हाँ. यस. नाउ खुशी गुजर.
Yes, sir.
आजा बेटा.
My topic is online classes. Nowadays, there are many facilities in education
अरे वाह. शाबाश बेटा.
through
बहुत
the
अच्छा. वेरी गुड.
social media. Online classes and offline classes both are very important, but online classes very peacefully classes. We can take online classes on many apps, Google Meet, like Google Meet, YouTube, Zoom, and other apps.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. ऐसे बोल बस. बढ़िया. हाँ.
We can take online classes while eating food. We can take online classes everywhere. And we can also save money and time in online classes, on online classes. No one punished us in online classes.
हाँ. शाबाश. घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ. छोटा ही बोल. कोई बात नहीं है. जरूरी नहीं बहुत बड़ा ही बोले. अपन ज्यादा ही बोले. कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ बोले जितना भी बोलेंगे अपन. हाँ.
We can take easily online classes every season. In every season.
शाबाश. वेरी गुड. घबराए मत बिल्कुल भी. हाँ. बढ़िया बोल रही है तू बस. हाँ.
We can take a lot of knowledge
हाँ. वेरी गुड.
on social media.
शाबाश.
That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं बेटा. कॉन्फिडेंस मत लूज किया कर तू. चाहे 10 ही लाइन बोल, 5 ही लाइन बोल. है ना बेटा. कॉन्फिडेंस मन को छोटा मत किया कर. कभी भी मत किया कर. है ना. हाँ. यहाँ तक आ गए हैं तो और भी आगे जाएंगे अपन. उसमें क्या है ना बेटा. कभी मन को छोटा मत किया कर बेटा. जो किया अच्छा किया तूने. बस बहुत अच्छा किया तूने. है ना बेटा. हाँ. मन को छोटा कभी नहीं करना बेटा. बहुत जिंदगी पड़ी है बेटा. अभी ऐसे मन को कैसे छोटा करेंगे अपन. यस. कम ऑन रश्मि. आजा बेटा. रश्मि आजा बेटा.
Yes, sir. Good evening, everyone. My topic is disadvantage of and advantage of online classes. Education is the backbone of our national as well as a key to the progress of our country.
शाबाश.
System has significantly changed since period of COVID. Many schools takes online classes when the COVID of period. The advantage of online classes are online classes connect everywhere and flexible. Student can attend online classes everywhere. If weather is not good, so we don't take offline classes. But in the online classes, weather is not good. But in the online classes, weather is not matter. Because online classes take by computer, phone, laptop, and other devices. It saves our time. These are advantage and disadvantage are. Students do not focus on online class. Many students switch their cameras and play games and see shorts videos and reels. So if the network issue, we don't take online class properly.
अच्छे से बेटा, और अच्छे से बेटा, सेंटेंसेस को अच्छे से बनाओ बेटा. हाँ, घबराओ मत बिल्कुल भी, जल्दबाजी मत करो, आराम से बोलो बेटा.
Okay, sir. Our eyes becomes weak by online classes. That's it, sir.
कोई बात नहीं, शाबाश बेटा, और कोशिश करनी है बेटा, है ना बेटा. हाँ, सुना करो सब लोगों को ध्यान से. जितना सुनोगे ना ध्यान से, उतना इम्प्रूवमेंट करेंगे बेटा अपने स्पीकिंग के टाइम पे. यस, कम ऑन मधु.
Yes, sir. Hello everyone, my name is Madhu Kumari Veena. I am the student of Ramban Interactive Classes from batch 20. Today my topic is online classes. Online classes is very important in present time. There are many advantages of online classes. We can take online classes in mobile, laptop, and computer. We can take online classes in anywhere, and we can save money and time.
बहुत बढ़िया.
Or the student who cannot go to school coaching, so they can take online classes from YouTube at free of cost. And we can easily interact teacher and friends. There are many disadvantages of online classes. Some students watch reels and shorts or play games while online classes. Some students do not obey his teacher, and they cannot focus while online classes, and some students can't take online classes because their device get discharged. And online classes harm our eyes, and some students can do cheating while their online classes.
while taking online classes. हाँ ठीक है बोलो.
In my views, online classes is very useful for us. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, वेरी गुड. करते रहो बेटा कोशिश बस. यस नाउ खुशी बैरवा कहाँ गई? ये रही.
Good evening, sir.
Very good.
Today's my topic is online classes, advantage and disadvantage. We can take online classes sitting anywhere in the world.
Very good.
In the world. We can take online classes while eating food.
While eating food. While eating food. शाबाश बोल.
While eating food, we can take easily online classes every season.
In every season. हाँ बोलती रहे शाबाश, छोटे सेंटेंस बना के. हाँ.
We can also save time on online classes. We can learn many courses along with our work.
अरे वाह शाबाश, बहुत बढ़िया. ऐसे बोला कि फोकस कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ. शाबाश बोल.
We can focus better when we are studying. We are studying online. We can listening to the online recordings afterward.
शाबाश.
Afterward. If we have missed any class, we can hear the recordings.
शाबाश, very good. हाँ.
The craze for online classes has increased a lot after Corona. And disadvantage. From online classes, we are dependent on network. It is difficult to focus on studies. Students for their camera and do other work. From practical subject online classes, we not perfect. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा बेटा. आ जाएगा बेटा, है ना. हाँ बहुत बढ़िया है. सेंटेंसेस बहुत अच्छे बनाते हो. बस थोड़ा सा फ्लो चाहिए. आ जाएगा बेटा, है ना. आ जाएगा धीरे धीरे. सबके साथ होता है बेटा ऐसा. यस कम ऑन काजल.
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Very good evening बेटा.
The topic is online classes. Education is very important for us. There are many ways of get education.
Getting. हाँ बोलो.
Education. Online classes is one of them. Online classes are very useful for us. We can take online classes anywhere, anytime. with the help of online classes, we save our time and money also.
Uh-huh.
Online classes very useful for all.
Hmm.
Um, if if any person don't if any person missed or class, uh, mm,
Hmm.
he he takes online classes
Hmm.
uh, with the help of online classes. Uh, we 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 get much knowledge.
शाबाश, घबराए मत, बिल्कुल मत घबरा। छोटे छोटे सेंटेंस बना के बोलती रहे, लेंथ अपने को ज्यादा नहीं चाहिए, बस अच्छे से बोल कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ
In
में।
our home, uh, if the weather is not good and we missed our class, we take online classes and cover our syllabus.
ठीक है, घबरा मत, बोल।
There are many advantages of online classes. Um, with the help of online classes, we if the student if me with the help of online classes, if our health is not good and we miss our classes, we can take online classes in our home time and money also. Uh, and there are many disadvantages of online classes. Many students switch off or cameras and uh, run mobile phone. They say that their network is not good. They 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 do cheating. Uh, and they in online classes, sir can't punish.
एडवांटेज है, डिसएडवांटेज है? ये कोई बात नहीं, बोल तू। हाँ।
uh, at last we can say that online classes are very useful for us and very important. That's it, sir.
शाबाश बेटा, बहुत अच्छा परफॉर्मेंस है, घबराना नहीं कभी भी, है ना? हाँ, ये सबके साथ होता है ऐसा, सब बहुत बढ़िया है, बहुत बढ़िया बेटा, शाबाश। कोई चिंता मत करो, टॉपिक ही ऐसे ऐसे मिलेंगे तो लोग हिंदी में ही नहीं बोल पाते बेटा, आप लोग इंग्लिश में बोल रहे हो, तो ये बहुत एक अच्छा अचीवमेंट है तुम लोगों का। धीरे धीरे और अपन कोशिश करेंगे और अच्छा हो जाएगा। यस, मुस्कान मैडम, पधारो। यस।
Today my topic is uh, advantage and disadvantage of online classes.
शाबाश, बोल बेटा।
Online classes has many advantage and disadvantage. I am first telling about advantage of online classes.
ठीक है बेटा.
We can save time on online classes. We we can we can take classes every season.
इन एवरी सीजन. शाबाश. बोलती जा. घबराए मत. बिल्कुल मत घबरा तू बस.
We can should sorry sir. We can take classes in the room.
हाँ. शाबाश. वेरी गुड.
And raining time
क्या हुआ? बोल ना. घबरा क्यों रही है तू?
raining time
इन रेनी सीजन. हाँ बोल. कोई बात नहीं. घबरा मत तू बिल्कुल भी.
rainy season we take class easily. I am telling about the disadvantage of online classes. There are many disadvantages of online classes, like sometime low battery in mobile, so we can don't take classes.
We cannot take classes. घबराए मत. बोल. बोल बोल बोल.
And sometime network issues. Taking online class.
हाँ हाँ ठीक है. बोल. घबराए मत तू. हो जाएगा सब ठीक. मुझे मालूम है. बोलती रह तू. बस फोकस कर. अपना बेस्ट दे बस. ये करना है तेरे को बस. बाकी हम देख लेंगे.
And and some students cheating on online classes. On Google या YouTube, and we help brother and sister.
ठीक है. यस. बोलती रहे. हाँ.
Sometimes children playing games on online classes.
In online classes. Do you play? No. Okay. ठीक है. बोल. Yes. हाँ.
I am last say online classes very important in our life. That's it.
शाबाश. ऐसी कोशिश क्या कर बस. घबराया मत कर. डरा मत कर. ठीक है बेटा. हाँ. नाइस बच्चा. Yes. I think all have spoken. Now I'm closing the recording. Okay. Thank you very much.